Hi, so today we are going to be making liquid soap. So first things first, the ingredients that you will need is a heat-proof bowl, so a wooden spoon, boiling hot water, and
How much hot water do we need?
1 meter.
Okay.
A tablespoon and a bar of soap, and we've chose Glen Eagle soap, glycerine
And an empty bowl.
and an empty bottle, and make sure to really scrub it. So first what you're going to do is get your grater, and what you're going to do is grate the soap.
Watch your fingers though, because it's very sharp.
Yeah. So, yeah.
That was quite hard, wasn't it?
Yeah. And remember to make sure when it gets a little bit too small, make sure to just stop. And now we're going to use 2 tablespoons.
It smells so good, doesn't it?
Yeah. So do 1.
Yeah, just pop it in your bowl. And then do a big one this time.
2.
Now maybe just stick a little bit extra in just because it smells so good.
Yeah.
So an extra sprinkle on top. Right, do you want to pour this in very carefully because it's extremely hot? Don't touch the edges. There we go. And give it a good stir so that it all melts.
There's a lot of steam and smoke. It's all melting. I can't see it.
And then while you're doing that, 1 tablespoon
Yeah.
glycerin. A new ball, when it looks of it. Yep. My hands are all sloppy from the soap.
Yeah.
So do 1 tablespoon. And just give that a stir. Off of my spoon.
It should feel like at the bottom it should feel really slippery with the spoon.
And then what we're going to do?
And then you should, for like the heat-proof bowl, you should have a lid, or you could even put a plate on top
And then where do we need to put this now?
in a cold spot
For?
for 3 hours. Hi everyone. So we've left the soap for 3 hours. And if you,
In the meantime, you've done.
in the meantime, I have been making signs to stick in. And I made 2 so that so then we voted on which one we liked better, and we liked this one better. So we're going to cut the safety reels
For the back.
and then put it on to our bottle.
And what's your soap called?
Our soap is called Paradise.
Right, let's pour it in first, I think, so we don't get it all over your label.
Rennie for giving us this idea. Because when we were doing homeschool, Miss Rennie said to design a soap bottle, and we thought, let's look up how to make a soap bottle. And we also did what Miss Rennie said and designed a label.
Right, shall we
Yeah. get
stick the
ready.
labels on? Actually, let's see if it works firstly. Let's see if we can open that.
Okay, that worked.
There we go. Perfect. Right, let's stick our labels on.
Let's stick.
I'll peel that while you're doing the other one.
I'm doing the big one again.
Yep.
Maybe we should cut it.
I think just stick it along that way. Is that it? Like that? Is
Yeah.
that good? Then I'll put the warning about keeping it out your eyes and not to eat it on the back.
Maybe we should cut out that bit
Yeah, we can do.
for the.
We could do that later though. So, there you go.
You've got your own liquid soap.